Hello, good morning, everyone. Market just got opened and we are done with the first 3 minutes. We are about to close the first third minute candle. So we'll wait for this candle to be settled, and yeah, it is got settled. And we'll see what is going to happen today. And one more session left for this year, which means tomorrow. We'll see what is going to happen today and tomorrow. I'm a little curious to see what is a market going to help us to gain. So let's wait and just adding strikes. Yeah, my setup is getting ready. This is market is slightly negative, so just updating the strike price accordingly. So I see kind of a panic situation is happening. There is a chance today entire day can be negative. There won't be any possibilities for the recovery because New Year going to begin, right? So and also upcoming holiday one day, and we'll see. So it is like a sudden spike happening. The CE 1.5, 455, 56. So I have got executed for 161 point and exited 165. Okay, done and done. We are done for the day. So we got entered at 215 and 220, and here it has got closed. And yeah, I think so. Today market is little favor to us. So I see there is around 3% I have gained today with the done, and with the zero the around 1.5 or 2%. We'll see. So, yeah, 2% exactly. So sometimes it keeps fluctuates, depends upon the market and volatility. So always I used to prefer that GTT order with the zero, which helps me a lot to make it more accuracy and delay on execution or delay on if there is any delay happens at the time of exit. So that saves me. So even now also I was what to say uh, trying to exit from the then, and in the meanwhile I had given a GTT, so that GTT helps me to get out from the trade. I mean, it's kicked me out. So anyway, um, that's all for the day, and let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last trading session for the year. Hope the best. Thank you so much.